Hey everyone, so this is a tutorial on how to determine the number of significant figures in any number. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to write down some numbers and we're going to work them out as we go. So the first number, let's just do 12. Alright, so in this number here, the 1 and the 2 are both significant figures. So this has 2 sig figs. Alright, 3. If you just have that 3, there's going to be 1 sig fig. All right, let's get a little tricky now. 30. All right, so there are two numbers here. The 3 is significant. The 0 is not significant, so there's only 1 sig fig. So here's a little rule. Every non-zero digit will be a significant figure. When it comes to zeros, there are some other rules that apply when determining if those are significant or not. But every non-zero digit, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, non-zero digits are significant figures. All right, so let's try this one now. Let's go with 205. All right, so we know the 2 and the 5 are significant. What about the 0? This 0 is significant, so there are 3 sig figs. The rule here is any 0 between two non-zero digits will be significant. So once again, let's go with 0, 0, 2, 0, 5. All right. We know this 2 is significant. We know the 5 is significant. This 0 is in between the 2 and the 5, so that's significant. These two zeros on the left will not be significant as there is no number to the left of them. So all we have is not significant, not significant. 2, 0, 5 are significant. So we have 3 sig figs here. What if we had 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 5? In this case, every number here is significant. We have 3 non-zero numbers, and these 0 numbers are in between non-zero numbers. Therefore, we have 6 sig figs. All right, everyone, we're going to go on to decimals now. All right, so let's try a decimal number. Let's go with 5.00. So we know the 5 is significant. What about the zeros, though? In this case, the zeros will be significant. So we have 3 sig figs. The rule here is any zeros after a decimal are significant. So any trailing zeros that we have, as long as they are after a decimal point, they will be significant. Let's try one more. 5.0500. All right. So in this case, every one of these digits will be significant. We have 2 non-zero digits. The 0 comes after the decimal, and that 0 is also between 2 non-zero digits, so that is for sure a significant digit. Then we have 2 trailing zeros. Since they are after the decimal point, they will be significant. So 5 sig figs here. All right, everyone. We're going to go with one doozy at the end to make sure we all understand what we're doing. All right, so we have this random number here. Let's determine what numbers are zeros, or what numbers are significant digits. So these 3 zeros on the left, there's nothing here to make these significant, so those are just out of the picture. Those are not significant. We have this 1, that counts. All the non-zero ones will count. This 0 counts because it's in between 2 non-zero digits, so we have 1, 2, 3 sig figs so far. 0, 0, 5. So these two zeros are in between two non-zero digits, so those count as well. We have 5, 6, 7. So the 1, 0, 4, 0, 0, 5, 6, 7 are significant. Now we have this 1, 0 at the end. It's a trailing zero, and it comes after a decimal point. So that means this trailing zero on the right is significant. So in total, all of these significant digits are 1, 0, 4, 0, 0, 5, 6, 7, and that 0. So in all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 sig figs here. So that's the tutorial on sig figs, everybody. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the SSC or the MARC, and they'll be glad to help.